Acolo. Ce greu e, bă. Scuze, lasă-l acolo. Lasă la mine. Că scâmbă pe poli. Așa. Nu, hai că stă. Mă duc să trag. Da. Trage numai atunci că urc eu. Iată. Da. Adică tine. Bine. Acum. Nu merge. Așa. ăsta. Acum stă ăsta. Uite ce s-a înțepenit. Poate vine și ăla să ne ajute. Cine? Alex. Bine ai venit. Scotim? Una. Da. Am și schimbat, că nu știu de ce era setat așa. Poftim? Așa. De obicei am pus minim 2. Pentru o zi schimb cerceavul, ideală și 2 zile. Yes, too.
Because it heats up more, right? It heats more.
Yes, it gives the heat. It's cheap, yeah. And it's not so heavy to the roof. It's plastic, but it is what it is, you know.
It's good plastic.
Yeah, it's good plastic. It's better than just one layer.
Yeah, it's easy to handle and all this stuff.
And you're making like videos? Like
Yeah, I make also YouTube, I share.
Oh, yeah. Ce faci? Vezi că ți-a scăpat un iepure.
Hai să mâncăm. Hello guys, very nice week, very productive week. I'm very happy for what I'm building here.
Sometimes it's tough to live in the countryside and to have too much work to do. It's much physical, but also sometimes because I work with people and I have some guests on Airbnb. I have some days when I'm tired and I want to be relaxed. Some days. Today is that day that I need some time for me, you know. Yeah, thank you for watching my videos. Enjoy the videos. I want to speak with you more about what I'm doing here, but I don't know how can I start and what to not make mistakes, or if you want to buy the land, to buy the perfect spot, you know, to build in your farm or your house, to build in the greenhouse. I don't know, to have some water, to have your food is very important, these things. I'm not arrived there, you know, probably I repeat so many times, but still, I telling you again, I'm not arrived to be sustainable. How can I understand to be sustainable? In my opinion, sustainable is to produce, to make my food, to grow my food, to have my electricity, water, heating in the winter, and some money, to earn some money, you know, some value, not money. Probably it's not work with the money in the future, but now, because the money is the value of the human beings on the earth, I need some money to buy the tools, to, I don't know, to probably, I need to change my car because it's not work very well, and I was thinking if I buy another car will be electric one, because I wish to have electric one from the childhood probably. I grow with technology, but I grow also with nature, and combined probably I can make something different for me and for this type of living. It's different, but in good way, in my opinion. For me, it's not for everybody this type of living. Couple of people they love to the city, and I've listened so many people then they cannot sleep in the silent. They need some traffic sound, you know, in the background. And I believe I believe them, because it's true. If they was grow with the noise all the life, when they arrive in the silent, in the nature or the very quiet livings, they cannot sleep. Also here it's a lot of noise, like a natural way, like insects, dogs, animals, but it's very different for me, it's very deeply, because I sleep here and I sleep very well. Many times I go in the tent in the forest and I sleep there and I sleep very nice, very deep. It's nice, it's nice. I like this type of living, and who want to start, please start. Don't have regrets after, you know. Don't feel fear about nothing. You cannot do something bad if you want to building with natural materials, or if you want to grow your food, or if you want to building a greenhouse or the lake, or I don't know, whatever you thinking to building. It's very good for you. It's very good for you to start this type of living. And I want to motivate you to start these things. Please, if you're thinking, don't hesitate. Buy the land and go to start your living life. And why not, you know? And after all this shit on the earth, probably this is the big revolution of human beings to be, you know. I'm just a human being. I'm not somebody to need to listen, because you don't need to listen to me. It's just my experience, and I want to just share my thoughts with you. Anyway, thank you for watching my videos. If you like this type of videos, please give me a like, comment, subscribe, and if you want to go on social media, everything,